Question number 88. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. India accounts for 3.2% of global export of goods. Statement 2. Many local companies and some of the foreign companies operating in India have taken advantage of India's production linked incentive scheme. This is a current affairs based question, and this question was asked in the backdrop of record level of exports from India this year, and also in the backdrop of increasing demands from the industry to expand PLI coverage to more and more sectors. Look at the first statement. India accounts for 3.2% of global export of goods. This is incorrect. See, the share of India in world's merchandise exports has always been less than 2%. It is around 1.8% in the year 2021. In fact, the target of foreign trade policy 2015 to 2020, which has been extended till recently, is to increase the share of merchandise exports to 3.5%, which we could not achieve. So the first statement is incorrect. Second statement. Production linked incentive scheme was introduced by India to give a boost to the manufacturing sector in India and also make our manufacturing products globally competitive, thereby increasing the share of merchandise exports. This PLI scheme is applicable to both domestic companies and also foreign companies which have been operating in India. So the second statement is right. Many local companies and some foreign companies operating in India have taken advantage of India's production linked incentive scheme. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. Hence the answer is D.